Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syamil Danish bin Edison. My registration number is 14 DKA 20F 1106. So I want to talk about introduction of case study. What can I summarize is a sewerage system is a network of pipes, pumping stations and other equipment that convey sewage from a point of origin to a treatment and disposal facility. Toilet flushing in a household, industrial or commercial environment, as well as water from the sink or shower are all sources of sewage. So next, the type of sewer system. The Taman Merlimau Bestari use gravity operated underground sewerage pipelines, pumping stations, sewage treatment plants and sludge treatment facilities. As a result, sewage treatment plants are usually constructed along drainage catchment system in order to collect sewage rapidly and inexpensively. Sewage treatment plants are usually constructed along drainage catchment systems. Sewage systems that convey both home and storm waste are known as combined sewer. The Taman Merlimau Bestari use gravity-operated underground sewerage pipelines, pumping stations, sewage treatment plants and sludge treatment facilities. So, why the system is used? The combined system is more economic than separate system. The system pipeline that used is reduced, so the maintenance cost is less. It also needs bigger size of pipe so that the cleaning process is easier, and it has a bigger capacity to handle larger amounts of water at a given temperature. And then, types of sewer pipes used. So, types of UPVC. The UPVC pipe is a plastic pipe made of polyvinyl chloride, PVC resin and containing no plasticizer. With the development of chemical industry technology, it is now able to produce non-toxic grade pipes. So it has the function of usually polyvinyl chloride, and it has added some excellent functions. Specifically, it's corrosion resistant and softness, so it is especially suitable for water supply networks. Because it is not electrically conductive, it is not easy to react electrochemically with acid, alkali and salt. Acid, alkali and salt are difficult to corrode, so no external anti-corrosion coating and lining are needed. The softness is good, which overcomes the defect of the brittleness of the plastic tube and can be bent under the load so as not to break. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibn Syakal bin Arif. I'm from DKA 4C and my registration number is 14 DKA 20F 1082.
UPVC advantage. Number 1 is corrosion resistant. It has excellent physical and mechanical properties and is suitable for the chemical industry. Number 2 is high strength. It has high impact strength, high water pressure resistant, and is suitable for piping engineering under various conditions. Number 3 is long life. It is resistant to egging and has a long service life. The service life is 30 to 50 years. Number 4 is low resistance. The wall surface is smooth and the fluid resistance is small. The pipe diameter can be reduced at the same low rate. Number 5 is electrical insulation. It's good, has excellent electrical insulation properties and is suitable for protective sleeve for wires and cables. Number 6 is lightweight and simple construction. Lightweight, durable, easy to carry, easy to install, easy to connect. Disadvantage UPVC pipe. The resistance to mechanical shock is poor. The expansion coefficient is large. The building fire is suspected and the flame retardancy is poor. Number 2 is drainage noise is large. The water flow is not easy to form a water film flowing along the pipe wall, and the pipe wall is in a chaotic state. Cast iron pipe. Cast iron pipe is extremely strong, durable and heavy. Cast iron also reduces sound and is heat resistant. Cast iron pipes are used to transmit sewage, water and gas. They are common piping material for drainage system in most homes. Advantage of iron pipe. They are resistant to fire. The gases emitted in a tire accident during heating and combustion. Cast iron doesn't emit gases or burn when temperatures are high. Number 2 is soundproof. Cast iron pipes have soundproofing features. Cast iron pipes reduce the vibration and noise between pipes and plumbing features. Number 3 is cost-effective pipes. The other great advantage of cast iron pipes is that they are an affordable options to install. Number 4 is strength and durability. Cast iron is a strong piping material. because it doesn't deflect under heavy loads. Therefore, it makes for an excellent choice for underground drainage installation and trenchless lining service.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Mukis Suzuri. My matrix number is 14DJA20F107. 1007. Okay, I will continue the next slide, which is disadvantage of cast iron pipe. We prefer to use cast iron pipes for many years for their strength. However, homeowners and builders have begun to realize that they are not as durable for an extended period, and better materials are available today. Over time, specific issues almost always pop up in homes built with cast iron. Okay, plumbing system. Common issues with cast iron damage include first is corrosion. This is almost always the first issues that will take place, often from the pipe interior that you can see. Cast iron is very heavy. This can lead to sinking in the ground. Number 3 is clogged and slow drain. Number 3 is sewer backup into homes. Number 5 is expensive, messy repairs, and you may even have to remove the slab in place to replace it. Number 6 is insurance may not cover repairs. Be sure to check your homeowner's policy for specific exclusion. Next is organization that involved with Indawater. Indawater Consortium Sidang Berhad, doing business as Indawater, or is a Malaysian national wastewater and sanitation company. It is a government owned company under the Minister of Finance Incorporated, which has the task of developing and maintaining a modern and efficient sewerage system for West Malaysia. Its operations and management was well organised in compliance with standards from the Department of Environment. Next is the wastewater treatment process. Stage 1 is bar screening, the process of treating and reclaiming water from wastewater. Any water that has been used in homes, such as flushing toilets, washing dishes, or bathing, starts with the expectation that after it is treated, it will be clean enough to re-enter the environment. Stage 2 is screening. Fine grit that finds its way into the effluent needs to be removed to prevent the damage of pumps and equipment downstream. There are several types of grit chambers: horizontal, aerated, and vortex, which control the flow of water. The grit is physically removed from the bottom of the chamber and discharged. Next is stage 3, primary clarifier. Initial separation of solid organic matter from wastewater solid, known as organic sludge, sink to the bottom of the tank and pumped to a sludge digester of sludge processing area, dried and hauled away. Proper settling rates are key indicator for how well the clarifier is operating. Adjusting flow rate into the clarifier and can help the operator adjust the settling rates and efficiency. After grit removal, the effluent into large primary clarifier that separated out between 25% and 50% of the solids in the effluent. This large clarifier 75 feet in diameter, 71 inches at edges, and 101 feet in the center as an example, allow for the heavy solids to sink to the bottom and the cleaner effluent to flow. The effectiveness to the primary clarification is a matter of appropriate water flow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Fazlul Nazmi bin Fazil, and my matrix number is F1063. Today I would like to present about the water supply slab presentation, which is stage 4, aeration. For your information, air is pumped into the aeration tank, which is to encourage the NO3, which is to provide oxygen for bacteria to continue growth and propagate. Okay, once convert to the NOH3, the bacteria will remove, and the stripped oxygen will molecule will from the nitrate molecules. At the heart of the wastewater treatment process it is the encouragement and acceleration of the natural process of bacteria. Okay, so the aeration can be accomplished with pumping and diffusing air into the tank or through aggressive irrigation that adds air to the water. The process is managed to offer the best condition for bacterial growth. Okay, we move to the next slide, which is the stage 5, secondary clarifier. Secondary clarifier treat wastewater is pumped into the secondary clarifier to allow any remaining organic sediment, which is to settle out the treat water flow. As the influent exists, the aeration process, it flow into the secondary clarifier like the primary clarifier. Okay. Other than that, the small solid sink to the bottom of the tank. The part of this activate sludge is returned to the aeration tank to increase the bacterial concentration, helping propagation and accelerate the breakdown of organic material. Okay, the next slide is stage 6 and 7, which is chlorination and water analysis testing. For chlorination, chlorine is added to kill any remaining bacteria in the contact chamber, which is with the enhanced concentration of the bacteria as part of the aeration stage. There is a need to test the outgoing effluent for bacteria presence and absent of to disinfect the water. Most commonly, which is to increasing popularity. If chlorine is used, it is important to test for free chlorine level to ensure the acceptable levels before being released into the environment. Okay, next for the water analysis, it is testing for the pH level, ammonia, nitrate, dissolved oxygen at the residual chlorine levels to confirm the plant's permit are critical to the plant's performance. Okay, we move to the last slide, which is stage 8, influent proposal. Okay, as you can see at the slide, the influent disposal is to clean the water is reintroduced into the environment. Although testing is continuous throughout the wastewater treatment process to ensure optimal water flow. Clarification and aeration. Final testing is done to make sure the influence leaving the plant meets permit specification. Okay. Concept used by the organization, which is a modern and efficient sewerage system, are very important for the country to ensure the wastewater before it drains into a irrigation system. Okay. For your information, this will help the country conserve water resources, protect public health, and create a clean and safe environment. Which is okay. That is from me. Thank you, sir.